Hey friends, if you wish to change the autosave duration in Excel, then please watch this video. I will guide you through the procedure. So here's what you have to do. Search for Excel in the Windows search bar and open Excel. Open Excel here. Click on File. Select Options. Go to Save. In the right pane, you'll have this option which says Save Auto Recover Information every how many minutes. So it says 10 minutes, which is a very, very, very long time. I would rather say zero point 0.1 minute. Okay. I mean, and then I will obviously share this. I mean, check this box here, but it should never be 10 minutes. Okay. So that is quite long. So this is why I changed the timings accordingly. And after you change the timings, either hit enter or click on OK. So this is how you can change the time required for the autosave information. It is called auto recover here. Again, for this thing, you also need to check the auto recover location that it should be correct. It should be in app data. If it is, then it is associated with OneDrive, and it should mention OneDrive in the default local file path location. Click on OK. Was this helpful? If yes, then please subscribe to the channel. If not, then let us know in the comment section of the video on how we could help you further. Thank you for watching this video and have a nice day.